Many people are frying Shanghai green, either oiled or blanched. No wonder it doesn't taste good. I will teach you the correct way to do it today. No need to blanch or oil. Tender and crispy after serving. The color is emerald green and not black. Follow my video next. Let's see how it is done together. I bought a few Shanghai green in the supermarket today. We call it cabbage here. Some people also call it shaokai. Let's first break off the leaves one by one. Because the roots of the leaves will leave some sediment, be sure to break it off and clean it. Break it all apart and put it on a larger plate. Add a spoonful of edible baking soda. Then pour in a little more water. Then start cleaning the Shanghai green. Dust and impurities are concentrated in the roots. Therefore, the roots should be cleaned more carefully. After washing, remove it under water control. Just put it in the leaking basket and rinse it again. Next, prepare some fresh pork belly. After peeling, cut it into thin slices. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. Prepare 2 more shiitake mushrooms. Cut off the shiitake mushroom first, don't. After washing, cut the shiitake mushrooms into thin slices. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. Next, prepare a few cloves of garlic. First, slice the garlic. After cutting, put it in a small bowl. Friends who like spicy food can prepare a few peppers. Cut it into little circles. Friends who don't eat spicy food can leave it alone. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. Then prepare 2 shallots. Cut into long sections. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. Then pour a little more water into the pot. Add another spoonful of salt. After the water boils, pour the shiitake mushrooms down first and blanch the water. Blanching shiitake mushrooms can remove most of the oxalic acid. After blanching, control the water and remove it. Add a little cooking oil to the pot. After the oil is hot, pour the cabbage down and fry it. It's time to start a fire. Quick stir fry of cabbage. Never blanch. Nutrients are easily lost after blanching. And it doesn't taste crunchy enough. No need to oil. It tastes too greasy after being oiled. Not very healthy. We use a little oil. Turn on the fire and fry it like this. To death. Then fish it out first. Put it on a plate for later use. Add a little cooking oil to the pot. After the oil is hot, pour the pork belly down and fry until fragrant. You can use a little meat oil when frying vegetables. If there is no meat oil, use pork belly. It will taste better. Fry until slightly yellow. Add the garlic. Chili is also added. Then stir fry evenly. Stir fry. Add the shiitake mushrooms after frying the incense. Just a little stir fry. Fry dry the moisture on it. After all the incense, add salt, a little chicken essence, a little light soy sauce. There is no need to put other seasonings. Stir well and then add the cabbage. Turn to high heat and quickly stir fry evenly. Let the cabbage absorb the aroma of the sauce. Add the scallions before serving. Then continue to stir fry a few times. Just fry the scallions until they die. Such a very simple and delicious Shanghai green is ready to go. Cabbage bought in the future. You do it my way. Make sure you are tender and crispy after serving. The whole family loves to eat, and you can fry a lot of vegetables this way. Color emerald green. It won't turn black no matter how long it is left. It doesn't turn yellow. If you feel good too, just collect it and try it. Okay, like my video. Remember to like and follow the message and forward it. See you in the next video.